Hello everyone, my name is Adebina Abum Igbo. I'm an Igbo language translator and teacher, and I'll be teaching you the Igbo language. My aim is to not just teach you the language, but to show you bits and pieces of the people, places, and the culture. I'm so excited! All right, now Ndị Igbo have different dialects. However, we'll be teaching Igbo Izube, often called Central Igbo. These lessons will be bilingual because the aim is to teach even people who have zero knowledge about Igbo language. So, tag your Igbo friends, tag those who you think and know would be interested in learning the Igbo language, and also tag those who you know would love to learn the Igbo language even if they don't know yet. Tag everybody from Obodo Niger to Ofesi. Everyone you know, because we are about to embark on an interesting journey. Ngwa, ga gwazie ndị ya adị unu.